Hello everybody, this is Dualsportdaddy coming back. Got the 2009 TW200. Haven't quite hit 600 miles yet for that initial oil change, but I'm going to go ahead and do it. Show you guys how to do it here. It's a little how-to video, my first one. Got a picture that I'll put up that has all the tools that you're going to need to do this, but we'll start out. They want you to run the bike, get it warm. I already did that, ran it for about 5 minutes, so the oil's nice and warm, so it'll flow out really good. First thing we're going to do is take off the skid plate. That's a 10 millimeter bolt right here. We'll get this off and out of the way. Skid plate just kind of folds out of the way. It's just got a little hook back there that hooks up underneath. We'll set that off to the side. I've had mine up in some sand and everything, so I'm going to clean out the drain plug up here so it doesn't have a lot of sand debris. A small brush or some shop air. Need a 19 millimeter to drain that. That's the drain plug down here. Let's make sure we're... I'll zoom in on that to see it. So right here's the drain plug. Again, it's a 19 millimeter. Break that loose. Now there is a spring and a screen behind here. So we'll take that out. And you want to run it for about 5 minutes. You don't want to get it too hot, otherwise you'll burn your fingers. But this is the initial oil change, so I'm draining it into a pretty clean bucket just to see if there's any debris or any metal shavings anywhere in here. The spring sits inside here, but we'll take this on your shop rags. We will let that drain. We can clean. There is some metal in here, but we'll clean that out with a little brake clean. And while we're letting that drain, I'll clean these parts up with a little brake clean. Just a very little bit of metal on there from the initial braking clean. Look down here also, that's got this O-ring. You don't have to replace this every time. I'm not going to because it's the first oil change and it looks fine. I don't see any nicks on it anywhere at all. Like I say, the spring fits in here. All that little bit of metal off there. Put that back in there and then it'll be ready to reassemble. Wipe down this to the sealing surface. Make sure there's no debris or we do have the fill cap off on the other side to let this drain a little faster. I'll get my torque wrench ready. It's preset at 31 foot-pounds is the torque spec on this. Again with a 19 millimeter. So as soon as that gets done draining, just about there, clean the threads. Drain plug back in. It is spring loaded, so we you just got to push on a little bit to get it to go back in. Just snug it up with your fingers and then just like that. Wipe off a little bit of the excess oil. And again, I just torque the 31 foot-pounds. In the owner's manual, it tells you the torque specs. And that's not going to be very much, so you got to really listen for the click. And again, just wipe down the oil on this side. And now we can move over to the other side. Okay, on this side of the bike, we'll take this lower bolt out here, which is 5mm Allen head. This is actually the drain for the oil filter housing. Break that. With the bike standing up like this, we'll probably get some oil to come out. I recommend you have the bike standing up like this, not on the side. You're not going to get all of the oil out. Then we'll take these two other bolts right here that are 8mm. Break them loose. And this is your housing for your oil filter. Braking period for this engine. Same thing with this, you don't have to replace this O-ring unless it's nicked or scratched up or broken or anything like that, but we'll wipe down this surface also. Try to get in there and get any oil out or any contaminants that are in here. If there's any metal, try to get that out. There's a little O-ring right here also for your drain. I got the oil change kit off of Rocky Mountain ATV. They had a Tuska oil change kit that was only $30 for the oil filter, 2 quarts of oil, so we had to do that. Get the new filter ready to go. One way you can put the outside cover on, so won't be able to mess that up. Snug all these bolts up. It's 8mm. Finger tighten them to the case. Preset. It's an inch-pound torque wrench. The torque spec on it is 7.2 foot-pounds for all 3 bolts, but it's 86 inch-pounds. And again, this is going to be very light, so you got to listen for that click. You don't want to strip these out and ruin your day. Back and forth on everything. Alright. Already got the fill cap out. Got a little transmission funnel here that I'm going to put the oil in with. We'll start with 1 quart. The spec on it is 1.16 quarts. So probably get away with just 1 quart, but put this quart in and see how she looks. Oil level, there's a plug or a hole right here, sight glass, that you want it to be in between the 2 top notches on there. So look above that right now. We'll put our fill cap back on, and we'll fire it up and check for leaks. Guys in there, see the. And here's the oil level. Looks like we're right in between the top there. You can see the just a hair below, but I think that'll be all right. There also is 2 grease zerks back here that with a swing arm. There's one of them there. The other one on the other side. There's 2 of them, so I'll grease those and we'll be back in business. She'll be ready to do another 1,000 miles. And that's how easy it is to complete a service on a TW200. Thanks for watching. Do some more how-to videos and some accessory upgrades. See you next time.